Alright, hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from PLN of Taiwan. However, I'm going to do something different with this one. I reviewed this a while back. This is their spicy paste noodle. But I'm going to use their noodle and use my own ingredients because I found a way to use a couple really simple ingredients and make something super tasty. This stuff though on its own is like bazillion star. It's so freaking good. So I'm going to take the 2 noodle blocks. I'm not going to use the seasonings because I've got my own. Put those in here. 2 noodle blocks. They're going to go in for about a minute or so. Into the boiling water I've got here. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. That water really is cooking, isn't it now? Wow. Wowee! Right, Miles? You are Miles. Wowee! And you're Mimi. That's right. Hanging out, doing your thing, rocking and rolling. Yeah, this is going to be awesome. So, if you have noodles, but they're not with seasoning, this is something you can do. And when you see what I do, you'll be like, wow, that's easy. I can do that, Ramen Raider. And I can say, if you can't, there's something seriously wrong. But here we go. What do we got here? Number 53. This is Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotations from the guy who invented instant noodles. These aren't really instant noodles, but usually I review instant noodles. Anyways, number 53. Incomplete knowledge keeps you away from the essence of things. Words to live by. Keep knowing things. I am stoked. I've got a pair of sandals here that are just like thrashed. That I'm not stoked about. I'll show you how thrashed they are. I've been wearing these a lot lately. But yeah, check that out. Just totally destroyed right there. Kind of walked a bit. The other one is worse, isn't it? No, that's the bad one. Okay. But yeah, I got new ones that are brand new. Hooray! Right, Mimi? Hooray? No? Oh, I'm enthused. Behave yourself, little girl, or you will go back into the dryer so you can dry out. You will be done like laundry. Will you stop pushing on that, please? Go sit down. You're going to get in big trouble today, both of you. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no! The listening factor, ladies and gentlemen. It is at an all-time low today. But that's okay. It's Fun Friday. There we go. It should start boiling a little better. So what am I going to add to this stuff? You're probably wondering. First off, I got some chili crisp. Second off, you're gonna be like, what? Yep, peanut butter. And a little, do I even have any? I don't. Probably don't really need it. Not with that Laogan Ma. It's pretty salty. But usually I'll do soy sauce, peanut butter, and a little Laogan Ma. That's what we're doing. Don't start getting on Miles's case, jeepers. He didn't do anything wrong. Now everything's okay, I suppose. Almost boiling. There are two big frozen blocks of noodles, so that kind of makes things a little difficult. Alright, so I'm going to need to drain it, and I'm going to need a bowl. I'm going to go with Zip It! Not this bowl. This really fancy bowl from Taiwan. Shush out there. Why don't you clean up? It's going to be time for school again, and then we're going to have lunch, and then you can have fun. Because it's Fun Friday! Right? Right. Okay, I'm calling it good on these noodles. So let us drain them. Man. Yeah, I mean, check this out. Look how thick those noodles are. I don't know if you were able to see that, but you will in a moment. Yeah, it's one of those days where the kids just, especially my daughter, just won't shut up. Constant noise. Alright. Which order do we want to do this? I think I'm going to go with the Laogan Ma, then the peanut butter. Because I don't want peanut butter in my Laogan Ma, but I'm okay to have some Laogan Ma in my peanut butter. Touch more. Oh, mercy. Woo. Alright. I'm gonna go with a pretty good scoop of peanut butter. Oh, something like that. And that's it. Soy sauce I usually put in not for the saltiness per se, but for the savoriness and the flavor of soy. But I think I've done this once or twice before, and I can't remember what noodles I did it with, but when I did it, it was freaking memorable enough to do what I'm doing right now, so. But yeah, you know, I really would like to find a company that's interested in doing a collaboration with the Ramen Raider, because this is my recipe. I'm sure it's not. I'm sure this is something people do all the time, but it's like so good. And I asked some people around, it's like, is it possible to get like an oil drum full of Laogan Ma and mix it with like sesame paste or something like that, or peanut butter? I think they said it's impossible to get just like small quantities. The only way you can get it is in jars. Like they don't sell it like industrially or institution style. Well, now it's kind of thickened up. Look at that. I'll make sure you can see. Oh boy, we're getting close. 11:30 is when the next class starts, and it's 11:18. I think we'll make it. Cheers. Oh! That's good. It's just like, oh boy, those noodles are hot. Yeah, I mean, even it looks nice. Even you get the Laogan Ma speckling things. Too much peanut butter though. Need more of this. I'm sure I'll be heading by my place where I get this stuff this weekend. So I can get some more, because that's pretty close to all she wrote on the Laogan Ma. And I like to use it a lot in reviews and stuff, so. Now we might have too much Laogan Ma. So if you haven't had it, you need to have it. Laogan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. It's basically like fried crunchy, oily, salty, a little Szechuan spicy, and just plain everything umami you could imagine. It's like everything that you want to enjoy about putting things in your face hole. That's enough out there. Come on. Gonna go to child jail. I don't know. Do you want to go to baby prison? I don't think you do. Wow. The wonderment. It is just unending. I want to eat all of this stuff. The noodles are soft, they're wide, they're thick. And peanut butter complements it. Yep. I like this. I recommend this. So let's put it in a bowl, take some quick pictures, and I'm out of here. Probably do all the editing tomorrow. That means it's, for you, it should be what, November 1st? Holy crap. How does it feel to be so close to possibly, quite possibly, the end of the world? Wow. Peanut butter has a lot of sugar in it too, so it gives you the sweetness. Plus this extra crunchy peanut butter. Plus spring onion. Plus, I mean, because we can, chili flake. Plus, some sesame seeds. And there we go. Now I gotta like, ooh, I really need to hurry now. It'll be a quick rotato session. Like, I mean quick. Yeah, I'm sorry. I gotta go. I can't hang out. It's time. I got like 7 minutes till I gotta click connect. So have a good weekend. Have a good everything. Rock and roll. Think a lot. Be good to each other. Have a good one and bye.